You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Very useful, especially here on YouTube. There are two very slightly different pronunciations, ever so slightly different, in British English and in American English. So let's get through those different pronunciations and see if you can hear the difference. British English pronunciation, UK says it as comment, comment, comment. Stress on the first syllable, comment, comment. American English pronunciations in the US, the pronunciation is as comment, so it's a more open sound, comment, comment in the US, or comment in English, British English. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this was useful. I hope it was. I'll see you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.